Let's see how to add GRBL firmware in Arduino. So you can download GRBL from the link given below in the description. Unzip the file and copy this MIGRBL folder and open your documents. Select Arduino folder, libraries, and paste MIGRBL folder over here. Okay, so firmware is added. Now you can load this firmware to Arduino, selecting your port and board correctly. Okay, you can find it from example and MIGRBL GRBL upload. Okay, simply you will compile and upload it. So GRBL is uploaded. Now we are going to add the MI Inkscape extension. So you have to copy this MI Inkscape file and paste it in the directory of Inkscape. Find the share folder, extension folder, and paste over here. Also you need to copy the individual file in the extension folder. Okay, done. Continue. It's done. Our extension is added in Inkscape. You can see over here MI GRBL servo Z servo extension. Let's see how to calibrate the axis of CNC plotter. So first we have to set our printing area, which is 85 by 85 mm for my machine. Okay, now I will draw a square of 20 by 20 mm. 20 by 20 mm square. Okay, object to path, apply. Okay, so G code is generated. Now we will open GRBL controller. Select our proper communication port and baud rate. Connected. We have loaded the GRBL. Okay, first initially we will see the basic parameters, which is by default. As you can see, the x steps per mm and y steps per mm is 250. Okay, we will go with current setting. Let's see how it will came out. So machine is started. As we make a 20 by 20 mm square in ink space, let's see what are the measurement over here. The square is drawn. It is probably not the 20 by 20 mm, but see what are the measurements. It's hardly 5 mm. Okay, so now we have to change the steps per mm for x and y axis. So once again in GRBL controller, now we are typing $100 is equal to 500 or whatever you want your step to be. Again loading the GRBL. This time square looks bigger than the first one. Let's check the measurement. Okay, it is something more than 10 mm, but it is not 20 by 20. So now we have set 800 steps per mm, and let's see the measurements. Okay, now it looks fine. It is 20 by 20 mm square. So 800 steps per mm is our setting.